chat and learn English.
Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into a super fun convo between two friends, Ava and Liam, planning their weekend. You'll hear real English phrases you can use with your friends. Watch their chat, repeat the lines to practice, and stick around for a cool challenge to try it yourself. Let's jump in.
Hey Liam, what's up? Got any plans for the weekend?
Yo, Ava. Not much, just chilling. I was thinking about hitting the new arcade downtown. You down?
Oh, that sounds lit. I haven't been to an arcade in forever. What time are you thinking?
Maybe Saturday afternoon? Like 2 p.m.? We could grab some food after, maybe pizza.
Pizza? I'm totally in. But, is it cool if Mia joins us? She's been stressed out lately and could use some fun.
For sure, the more the merrier. Mia's cool. Let's make it a vibe.
Sweet. Okay, I'll text her. Oh, and you gotta spill the tea. Did you finish that art project you were working on?
Almost. It's been a grind, but it's coming together. You'll see it soon.
Can't wait. Alright, arcade and pizza on Saturday. It's a plan.
Bet. See you then, Ava.